Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the head and sound settings on OPPO Reno 14. Alright, so let's open up our settings. Now let's go into sounds and vibration, and let's start scrolling down. Okay, below, as we find the ringtone and alert sounds, we can click on more sounds. And in here, for example, we can enable or disable the dial-pad tone, lock screen sound, screenshot sound, deletion sound, fingerprint animation sound, and the touch sound. If you are a kind of person who is getting annoyed, for example, because of the screenshot sound, or you simply don't like it, you think it's unnecessary, you can simply turn those features off. But, of course, if you want to have them enabled, nothing is nothing's wrong with it, let's say it in that way. If you like to have them, you can enable them. Also, we have the fingerprint animation sound and the touch sound. Defaultly, as you could see, those things were turned off. But if you want, you can always turn them on. Now we have the touch sound, and now when I'll be clicking on something, you'll be able to hear the clicking sound, so you can hear it right now. That's how it works. Same thing with the fingerprint animation sound. Now I will unlock my device to show you. As you can see, it was pretty loud and pretty weird noise. Okay, if you wanted to have it, of course you can keep it turned on. In my case, I don't want it, so I'll turn off those features. Okay, we also have the clear voice below. That's for our microphone. When we turn it on, we'll be able to filter out background noise while we are in the call. So, for example, when we are outside, for example, in the city center, and there's a lot of traffic or other people walking and speaking, when clear voice mode is enabled, it will reduce that background noise. In here, we have like a comparison how it will look like when the mode is on and how it's when it's off. So now let me play that for you.
Turn on clear voice and filter out background noise to avoid revealing the specific environment you're in.
So that's how it sounds like when it's off, and now how when it's on.
While you're on a call using the receiver, you can turn on clear voice and filter out background noise to avoid revealing the specific environment you're in.
Okay, so in here we have a comparison how it looks like, and more like how it hears like. So I highly recommend turning on this feature. We also have the sound effects settings below. Current device is the speaker, and we have 4 modes that we can use for our O reality. O reality is our sound profile. We have smart, movie, and gaming, and the music. So the smart applies the optimal sound mode according to our scenario. Movie, real surround sound and clear voices. Gaming brings out hidden details in the game sounds to make you feel as you were at the arena. Or the music faithfully reproduces vocals. The equalizer can be customized. So you can simply select the option that you want. I'll keep the smart mode. We also have the holo audio. Experience sound from different locations when playing multiple audio sources at the same time. You can enable it, but if you want to use it, you need to connect your headphones to play this demo. Okay, we also have the haptics below. We can enable or disable the system haptics, so if it's turned on, we will get haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. And you can change the intensity down below. We have this bar, and we can adjust its level. If you don't want this mode to be turned on, you can simply turn it off. Okay, as we go into more, we have recording device for camera. Currently it's the external microphone, or we can also select the internal microphone. In here you can see the difference, you can read for yourself how it feels. And also we have the in-ear monitoring. Click on allow. Keep in-ear monitoring the same as recording. The preset reverberation, voice changing, and equalizer effects will be included in the recorded audio. When you connect your earphones to this device and open a supported app, a bubble will appear. There you can adjust settings such as in-ear monitoring volume, turn off in monitoring volume of apps to ensure that there are no conflicts with this function. Okay, But we can also go back, we can scroll down and enable the accessibility and convenience. In here, click the accessibility, and in here we have the not the vision but the hearing. We can enable the caption preferences. If we are using one, in here you have a preview how it will look like. Those captions, we can select the language from this list. We can change the text size and also the caption style. Below we have also the mono audio, merges the left and right channels. If you want, you can enable it. And we have also the channel volume balancing. Sliding to the left or right will lower the volume in the opposite channel. Currently it's on the middle, that's the recommended value, but if you want, you can select right or like in the middle. It's not like we have only 3 locked position. We can, for example, select it in that way or in that way. So you can select the option that you want. I highly recommend keeping it on the middle. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.